First of all, you're the type for one.
Come on, let's go.
Walk down the street, every guy wanna jump on you. It's your seduction to make sure that we stay in line. Sexual corruption.
Give your passports. Come on, please. Tell me something. I want to give you. How many of you sometimes get stressed? By show of hands. Sometimes you get stressed. Fantastic. You want me to give you some tips on stress management later? Because I'm actually paid to do that. Organizations pay me a lot of money to speak to their staff about that. So I sense that some of you actually look stressed. So I want to give you 5 minutes of stress management. But the first tip also is have fun. Yes or yes? Yes. So some of you are now doing the strategic analysis. What is this? What is the opportunity cost of dancing? No, this is what kills intellectuals with so much stress. So tell your neighbor that it's okay to have some fun. Okay, let's go. DJ, give me 2 minutes. Like this time, enjoy yourself. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. I don't care. Come on. Oh, even the Chinese class, come on.
We're supposed to live with family. Yeah, I don't deny. That's not just something. She can feel I've been trying my best to somebody.
Hey! Let's go. Let's go. Moving around. If I text to 3 people and tell them thank you for shaking, my text and tell them thanks for shaking. Alright. Our life has different sections or patterns. So we have the spiritual, we have the emotional, we have the physical, we have the mental. What is the other one? Or psychological, also how you manage your thoughts. So one of the ways to manage stress, for example, is if you're working, what mode are you in? What mode are you in when you're working? On your laptop? Hello? Which mode are you in? Spiritual, mental, emotional, psychological, which one are you in? Mental, thank you very much. So when you're working, it helps now to engage the emotional. For example, you can get up, go make a phone call to your loved one. That is if you have one. If you don't have a loved one, when I say loved one, it does not mean girlfriend or boyfriend or whoever it is. It could be your mom, your father, or your sister. Now you're engaging the emotional side. Or it might mean that in between, during the course of the day, whether early morning or in the evening, you could pray. What muscle are we engaging there if you're praying? The spiritual. Like this morning I went to church, so I was engaging the spiritual. Now I'm in the mental. A moment ago I was in the physical. So it's hard for me to be stressed. Oftentimes what kills us is you find people, do you know people who come in at work at 6? They work all the way up to 8. Even the lunch break is just about 20 minutes. Even when you're over lunch, they are still analyzing the company data. I say, hey, we are having lunch. Could we still have a life somehow? Do you know such people? Hello? Do you know such people? And they are usually stressed. There are people who are 30 in actual age, but when you look at them, you think they are 45. So the second tip, which is very easy, is please take lots of water. Take lots of water. Apparently, I've been told and informed that over 70% of the body mass is water. Therefore, the number one thing you need in your system is water. And it's actually advisable that you should take half the weight of your body. Meaning, if you're 50 kilograms, then you should be taking about 20 kilograms of water. However, I don't know about that. At least I've not reached that level. But at least take a minimum of 8 glasses of water. You need lots of water, especially if you're an intellectual. Number 3 is complete tasks. See, if you do not complete tasks, how many of us you have a project you never finished when you're going home, even when you're driving or in a taxi, you're thinking about the same thing. You're going to bed, you're thinking about the same thing. Has that ever happened to anyone? Like you haven't finished tasks and they're on your mind. Has that ever happened to you? Yes or yes? So that means if you do not complete tasks, then you're putting mental stress on yourself. So complete tasks as much as possible. Then number 4 is exercise, 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 exercise. I can't emphasize that enough. Some of us at exercise that you see Musa pulling up a stroke, you're like, not me. That is not for intellectuals. When you exercise, you enhance your stamina because some of the jobs you do are strenuous. Not necessarily strenuous, but even when you're walking along the street, there are people, my office, unfortunately, these days, the elevator is not working, so it's on the 4th floor, and people come to my office and they're going, you people, surely, you must have lifts. This is unbelievable. This is not acceptable. And I'm like, but you have an opportunity to make an exercise. No, I don't want to do exercise at this time. But surely they are not doing exercise even outside the working time. So, exercise, exercise, exercise. And lastly, keep a positive mind. Look at things in a positive way. When you think negative thoughts, how many of us get energized and inspired when you think negative thoughts? Anyone? No. But it's amazing that people think, and when I say keep positive thoughts, there are people who look at everything in a negative way. Now, there are people who are here, hey, now, what are those lights doing there? Is it a wedding meeting? What? Instead of appreciating life, some of us could even be thinking, why have they put us in a big place? Why are these people showing off? There are people who think that everything is negative. You don't greet them, they think that you're a bad person. You greet them, what does he want? Is it because I'm wearing a mini dress? Is there a mini dress or it's a minister? There's something like a mini dress, I'm asking you guys. Is there anything like a mini dress? Eh? You don't sound sure. So, there are people who look at everything. So everything that happens to you, just think that everything will be okay. Stay positive. Turn around and tell them, stay positive. Even today, stay positive. All right, good. So before I bring in the next person, I know that one of the things that get people so stressed is money. Yes or yes? And that's why we're here. So I want to bring someone to tell us about this company, GMN. What is it about? What are the products? So that we get to know the feel of the opportunity that we are up to. But before it comes, you can stretch your arms like that and say, say ah, say oh, say oh, say I'm ready for an opportunity. So Mansoor, you should get yourselves ready. And you know, I used to have challenges inviting people for this opportunity. Then a gentleman called Esogu, I don't know where he is. Esogu mentioned he's there at the back. Yeah? You can say hi, Esogu. So Esogu mentioned something interesting. This is what he said. He said that always value and honor people who invite you to make money. Because most people invite you to do what? To spend it, yes or yes? So, first of all, let's give a round of applause to those people who invited us to be here. So I really mean that. For those people who invited us to be here. And at this particular moment, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to invite the one and only Mansoor to tell us about the company, what it is all about, and the products. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mansoor. DJ, give us a minute for coming. There he comes. Give him a round of applause as he comes. And give me some energy. Come on out here.
Are you here? Tight. Said what? Tight. It's time to know what global mobile network is. Are we together? Now, Global Movement Network. To me, it came in as a savior. Are we together? It came in as what? A savior. To again build my pockets. Bigger. They were not very small. They were also big. Okay? By making them bigger. Now, Envy, are we ready? Envy? Envy, are we ready?